Make sure y'all floss y'all teeth. I know y'all brush y'all teeth. Hopefully y'all brush y'all teeth. But also you gotta floss. We low-key supposed to floss after every meal. We supposed to floss and brush our teeth after every meal, bro. That's crazy, but cause I know I don't do that. If any of y'all do that, y'all tough for that. That's tough. That's actually really tough. Good for you. That's excessive as hell. But I just went to the dentist a couple weeks ago and they said my teeth was good. So I'm doing something right, you dig? But yeah, make sure y'all floss. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I fake wanna go back to LA now. I think one day was enough for me, bro. I wanna go home. Say nah, but for real. I don't know, I just got like a quick little feeling of like, alright, I wanna go back to LA now. Like, I don't know why I just had that feeling just now. I was just like, damn, I wanna go back to LA. I think I came back to DC for one day. I think that was enough for me. I wanna go home. But that's always how it be. Whenever I like leave LA and I go somewhere, I be like, alright. After a day or two, I be like, alright, that was enough. Time to go back home. You know what I'm saying? I just be in that like locked in mode. I'm trying to like just go back home and finish, keep doing what I was doing, you know. But I'm about to go get fucking chicken wings and fries again, y'all. I'm about to go get that shit again. Mambo sauce on everything, duh. I gotta take advantage while I'm here, man. Cause when I go back to LA, that shit ain't gonna be here. I need to like just get a fat ass cart and shove all that shit in my suitcase and take that shit back with me. But yeah, I'm gonna get that shit again. And then, like I said, I don't know what I'm about to do. I just know my mother about to be here, so. Yeah, we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do. I go Ben's chili bowl, y'all. I had that shit like one time. That shit wasn't that good to me, I ain't gonna cap it. What's up, y'all? So I'm at Busboys and Poets right now. I think did I tell y'all I had that yesterday? I don't think I told y'all, but I had Busboys and Poets yesterday. But if y'all know, man, y'all seen this nigga before. What's up, man? Y'all seen him before, man. If y'all know, if y'all been following me for a long time, y'all know my man Mo been in the videos before, man. I ain't seen this nigga in a minute, man. He don't like being on the camera. But yeah, I had this yesterday. And I was like, shit, we can come back over here and try. He ain't never had it before. Shit, my first time having it was yesterday, so I'll probably get something else. I had chicken wings and fries again, y'all. I told y'all I went to go get that again, but I can't keep eating that every day while I'm here. Alright, so I got some like fritter things. I don't know what the hell this is, but he was like some crab, shrimp fritter things. This shit looks sweet. And then that's what I had yesterday, but it's like this salmon with wild rice and asparagus. That shit good, I ain't gonna lie. How good with that shit, bro?
Fire. I don't want to miss a piece of rice. I don't want to miss a piece of rice. No rice get left behind. swimming